What's up everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Buzzaround scooter series. Now, for those of you who don't know, the Buzzaround scooter series, which I have here all laid out in front of me, we have every single Buzzaround, has been around for decades. And they're basically travel-friendly mobility scooters that are lightweight, convenient. Some of them even fold. You can take most of them apart and they're gonna, break down into 5 or 6 pieces. You can put them in the trunk of your car or SUV, no problem. Some are a little bit heavier than others. Some are pretty rugged and meant for off-road, while others are meant for just going on vacations, whether you take it airplane, a train, a cruise. They're very, very compact. And again, like I said, one of them, which is our top seller, the Buzzaround Carry-On, even folds flat with an overall height dimension of 12 inches, making it possible to put in basically any trunk. Now, aside from the golden Buzzaround Carry-On being so special, every single one of these is special for one reason in particular, and that is the name behind the brand. Golden Technologies has been manufacturing mobility products for decades. They include an industry-leading warranty. They have the best warranty on parts. They have really awesome parts department. When you need parts, you go through your dealer, they get them out quickly, and they include a 1-year in-home repair contract. So not only do you get that great warranty, but if something does go wrong under the warranty claim, as long as it's approved, they'll dispatch a technician to your home. That's a requirement for any authorized dealer such as ourselves to include with the purchase of any Golden Technologies mobility scooter. By the way, folks, if one of you watching this video owns a Golden Technologies mobility scooter, let us know what you think about it. Tell us what you like, what you don't like. We'd love to hear from you. Our audience members would love to see it in the comment section below. Now, one of the reasons why I like Golden Technologies so much is also the fact that they're one of the only manufacturers that manufacture their own mobility lift chairs in-house in the United States. I love American-made products, and that goes a long way with us. So if you're interested in a power lift recliner like the ones you're seeing on the screen now, check out the link in the description below, or just click right there at the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Golden Lift Chairs. It'll take you right to the category page. We have tons of videos on those products as well. And by the way, if you own a Golden Technologies product, let us know what you think in the comments below. We want to hear not only the good, the bad. Let us know what you like, and more importantly, what you don't like about your mobility product by Golden Technologies. We reply to every single comment in our comment section below. So if you have a question about one of these products, drop a comment and we will reply within 1 business day. By the way, if you want a copy of our brand new product catalog, go ahead and visit mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out that simple short form and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. Or you can call our non-commissioned sales experts with the phone number below, give them your mailing address, and they'll process the request for you. All right, so I'm going to tell you a few things about each one of these scooters. Keep in mind that we have in-depth review videos for every single one of these products. So I'm just going to tell you what makes each one unique really quick and not spend a ton of time making this video too drawn out. So all the way to the beginning here, we have the only folding model by Golden Technologies, but it happens to be our top seller for a few reasons. It has a 4-inch ground clearance, which is pretty much the highest in the folding category of all mobility scooters. So it's going to perform well on grass. Nice solid tires, and it folds flat. So like you can see on the screen, the seat comes off, the seat platform folds down, the tiller assembly folds down, and then you can literally tilt the front wheels up onto the bumper of your car with the trunk open and roll it into the trunk of your car or SUV. That's going to be the most unique thing about it. So you don't have to deadlift anything that weighs a lot. You can just use leverage and kind of tilt and roll it into the trunk of your car. So if you need something light, convenient, that doesn't take a lot of muscle to put into the trunk of your car, SUV, or van, the GB120 is the way to go. So next is the Buzzaround LX, which has a 3- and 4-wheel option. This is the 3-wheel, has full suspension, big tires, great ground clearance. It's a heavy-duty scooter. It's the only one that comes apart into lightweight pieces, and you can store it in the trunk of your car, just like the rest of the models we're going to go over now. They all break down into lightweight pieces. Now, the Buzzaround LX is the only one that can hold up to 375 pounds, and the only one with a captain's seat. It's also the only one that has a tilting lever for the tiller assembly that's located up high and not your typical knob style fashion tiller adjustment knob that you see on the base of the tiller column above the light. Now, just like the Buzzaround LX, the Buzzaround EX, also known as the Extreme, is available in a 3 and a 4-wheel configuration. We have it here with the upgraded bumper guard kit, which is a really nice feature. The only real difference between this and the Buzzaround LX, which we just went over, is the fact that this one can only support 350 pounds, so it's going to be a little lighter, and it does not have a full captain's seat with the headrest. The Buzzaround EX and the Buzzaround LX are both awesome for off-roading and going to explore nature trails, going fishing. We have tons of videos demonstrating all of those activities using those two models. Now, the next two scooters are basically the same, except one is the Buzzaround XL, and then we have the upgraded Buzzaround XLS HD. And if you can't tell, the HD stands for heavy duty, while the S stands for suspension. So the XLS HD is going to basically do everything that the XL does, except it's going to have suspension, and it can hold an extra 25 pounds of weight capacity. So it's a bit more rugged. The XLS HD holds 325 pounds. The XL holds 300 pounds. Now, they both come with a light kit, a basket on the front with a cup holder built into it. You also get a cell phone holder, and in my opinion, the most comfortable seat in the entire travel mobility scooter series across all manufacturers. It has memory foam, and the padding on it is just really nice. It's like a moisture wicking technology. So if you're interested in something that's a little bit more budget friendly and that has awesome features, very transportable, I think the heaviest piece is going to be just over 30 pounds. You can get both of these in a 3-wheel or a 4-wheel option. Now, last but not least is the Buzzaround LT. The LT is also available in a 3 and a 4-wheel model, and it's basically a step down from the XL, but it's a lot more affordable. It does not come with the cup holder built into the basket. It does come with the basket, no cell phone holder, and it's a little bit more limited as far as the features go. There's no suspension. Other than that, it's very comparable to the XL. And as you work your way up the lineup, you're going to pay a little bit more for extra features and bigger motors, bigger tires, and more versatility. All right, folks, so now that you know a little bit about each one of these models, please give our non-commissioned sales experts a call. We offer tax-free sales, free shipping, and discounts year-round. Not only that, we offer the best customer service in town with nearly a perfect 5-star rating across most platforms. Now, we'd love to earn your business. Our non-commissioned sales experts are standing by, ready to take your call, answer any questions that you have. They're not aggressive, they're not pushy. They are only here to recommend a product that's going to be something that fits your needs for many, many years to come. All of these mobility scooters are great options. They're all unique in their own way, and we have tons of accessories that you can learn about and more. You can see full specifications and details on our website with the links in the description, and we'll include links to the in-depth review videos for each one of these products as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget, if we didn't cover something, comment below. We'll reply to all the questions in the comment in a timely manner. Now, I did also tell you at the end of this video, we're going to tell you how to win a free mobility scooter once a month. By joining our raffle, you could be that monthly winner to receive a free mobility scooter. And to join the giveaway every month, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is subscribe. You're already here. Subscribe and leave a comment. Everybody that's left a comment and that's subscribed will be joining our monthly giveaway raffle. So don't forget to subscribe if you're not already there. You'll also get notified when we release new videos just like this one. My name's Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Let's take it real soon.